We need to change the doorknob over there, don't we? Look, the
Yes.
doorknob's gone.
Yes, we do.
Let's get one off of here. Let's get this.
And there's the
Hold
diamond
this.
doorknobs. They're diamond.
Diamond. And a new screw. Okay. Let's do that. Let me hold these. You hold this. Put the screw in the hole. Screw this on. Yeah. Oh yeah. And we're on. And tight.
Yep.
Okay.
They're pretty.
Yeah.
This was the old doorknob that fell off my door, and there was also a circle pink one that fell off, which was also this one that fell off this door. And I want to show you the end of these. Sure. Ta-da! They're pretty. These are the ends. It's a diamond doorknob. Bye, subscribers. See you next time on Lily Snow Girl. Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.